Exactly where is the severe thunderstorm risk? Where? Where the fuck is it? I see feathery light skies. I don't see a single goddamn cloud in the sky except the feathery clouds you may have possibly seen. Just beside me, a man. Throwing some on Beresford Street. Where are the thick clouds? Where are the absence of stars? Well, I can't see shit with this piece of shit. But still, where are the clouds? Where are the stars? Nothing. Computer model explicitly fails again to predict a severe thunderstorm risk. Nothing. Fucking nothing happening. Anyways, thanks for watching.